panels. Of course, we have unlimited aircon day and night.
We have solar panel. Of course, wala na kaming iniintinding bayarin sa Meralco.
We have solar panels, of course, para na rin kami may generator.
We are Lad Enterprises. Of course, we offer solar panels. Avail our solar panels today because it is a wise investment. Lad Enterprises is located at Gloria Marris Street, Cuta, Batangas City. You can email us at ladenterprises1007@gmail.com or call us at 0933-852-2703. What are you waiting for? Contact us today and be part of the change. More power in Lad Enterprises.